So this is just a quick video of how Randolph actually replaced my, and I accidentally broke the nose rest, so I was actually sent me a new pair right here. And it's the modern version. It's not the vintage